Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to print a web page or a full page screenshot in Microsoft Edge web browser. I'll show you guys how to do that. First open up Microsoft Edge, and now you just need to click on this three dot icon over here and select this web capture. You can also alternatively select the Control, Shift and S key at the same time in your keyboard, or you can also click on this web capture option. And here are two options available guys: capture full screen and capture area. You can select a specific area to capture this picture, and you can copy it or make up capture or visual search. There are three options available. For example, I just captured this guys, this advertisement. You just need to click on mark up capture, click on it. Here is the save option over here guys. Just click on the save option. It has been downloaded to your downloads. Pressing Ctrl Shift plus S key at the same time, it will opens up web capture. You can select capture area or capture full page, click on it, and it will be capture the full web page guys. You can save to a desktop option is here, click on it, and that has been saved guys. You just need to go to the download over here guys, click on this three dot icon and select downloads. Now we have saved the web capture over here guys, click on open file. We need to look how it's saved. This is the full web page guys that has been saved. Full web page from the starting to end. That's how you print a web page or full screen screenshot on Microsoft Edge guys. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.